like gives a lot of volume to my hair. My hair feels very soft. Hi guys, I am Mohini and welcome back to my channel. I make videos to fashion, travel, lifestyle, videos and a lot more, and welcome back to another episode of Tuesday Reviews. Every Tuesday I review a specific product, and for this video I have brand new products from Wishcare. So I have the Wishcare Argan Biotin Shampoo, I have Wishcare Argan Vanilla Conditioner, and I have the Wishcare 100% Pure Moroccan Argan Oil, which is for hair and skin as well. So we'll be talking about these products. I'm going to tell you more about the brand and everything. So if that's something which interests you, then keep on watching. So let's talk a little about the brand. I've made points right here, so I'll just read them out to you. So this is an Indian brand. It's like support made in India. Like, please guys, go vocal for local. Then it's a cruelty-free brand, it's vegan, it's chemical-free products, natural ingredient, and the packaging is recyclable, so that's a very good thing. It's available on all e-commerce platforms. Guys, these products came to me in PR, so just disclosing it out there before you think anything else. Wishcare basically stands for You Wish We Care, so that's the agenda of the brand. And now let's talk about these products. So let's start with 100% pure Moroccan argan oil, which is for healthy hair and skin. I have used it on my hair, and like hair oil has definitely helped me. It makes my hair very soft, very lustrous, like very amazing. And for the skin, for earlier I was like, this is a oil, it will be very sticky and all, but while I applied it on my body, it just melted down. It like just melted down so nicely, so I would give it a thumbs up for the body oil as well. The prices of these products are like very reasonably priced. I'll mention their links down below. If you want to get them, you can go buy them. This oil is like cold pressed. It also comes with this dropper right here, as you can see, so you can just remove this cap, put it here, and then it's very easy to apply on your hair. This has Moroccan oil, argan oil, and it's suitable for all skin types, so it's a very good like oil, and I have personally used it. I really liked it. Next up, let's talk about the shampoo and the conditioner. I have the Argan range. This is the Argan Biotin Shampoo, and this is the Argan Vanilla Conditioner. Okay guys, let's talk about the packaging first. It's a like plastic packaging, also it's recyclable, so like a thumbs up. It comes in a pump packaging, which is very easy. Also it has like an open and stop, if you know, like you can like stop it and then you can travel with it as well. So aisa nahi hai ki pump wala product hai, so you can't travel with it. You can easily just close it and then travel with it, so that's a good thing. And now let's talk about the texture of the shampoo. So the shampoo is like very mild. It's like sulfate free, paraben free, so it's a good thing. But the only problem I face with this shampoo is I have to shampoo twice. Like the first time, like what I usually do is I rinse my hair, I take some shampoo, I massage it all over, but it does not foam, like it does not lather up very easily. It's like a sulfate free shampoo, so I do not even expect a lot of like foaminess. But when I do it the second time, like I rinse it off and then I like shampoo again, then like there's foam. I don't know why is it so, but when I do it for the second time, it works. So I usually shampoo twice, and also it's like mentioned in the directions of the shampoo as well that you have to shampoo twice. So if like you are comfortable with that, like extra 2 minutes, then it's a very good thing for you as well. Like the shampoo is like really good. We'll come to the results later. Let me talk to you about the conditioner as well. So this is the Argan Vanilla Conditioner, this volume booster. As you can see, my hair has a lot of volume already, but ye karne ke baad I feel like mera volume thoda enhance ho jata hai, so it's a very good thing. The smell of this conditioner is to die for. It's like vanilla. If you love vanilla, you love the fragrance. Like, it's so good, man. Like when the products came in, the first thing I did was I sniffed all of it, and I like fell in love with the fragrance of this conditioner. But it's like my day 2 of my washed hair. I washed my hair like last night, and it's like almost 24 hours now, so my hair feels like very fresh. I haven't like done anything. I haven't even applied a serum, just because I wanted to show you guys the final results. So you can see my hair are like anyway thick, right? But it like gives a lot of volume to my hair. My hair feels very soft. Like I can easily run my fingers through my hair, and like my hair feels stronger, right? So I have been using this since like almost 3 to 4 weeks. I guess एक महीना हो गया almost. I have been like using these. And मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रही, the conditioner as you can see यहाँ तक खत्म हो चुका है, and मेरे बाल बहुत छोटे हैं, so I need very less conditioner. So you can see I'm not faking it. I am giving you my real reviews. I have tried these products. They worked really well for my hair. As you can see, my hair is like super soft, super nice, very shiny. Also, if I'll apply a serum, which you eventually should, and your hair will feel like even better. The products are very reasonably priced. They aren't very expensive. Also, I want to mention one thing, that Gargi also tried this shampoo while she was here, so she also liked it. She has very frizzy hair, but when she used it, she was like, "आज मेरे बालों में इतना frizz नहीं है." So like it's a very huge thing for her to say that. So guys, that just completes the review right here. Ki this shampoo makes your hair feel so soft, like very less frizzy, and like loved it, right? Okay, so now it's time for me to give marks to these products. So I think I'll give them 8 on 10 because maybe I have to like shampoo twice, which I'm not used to, but I think let's just give it that only. Like I'll give them 8 on 10. But these are like very great shampoo and conditioners. These are made in India, vegan, cruelty free, sulfate free, paraben free, like everything free right? But the products are not free. Okay guys, that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for sticking by. Thank you so much for showering all your love on the 23 videos, and thank you so much. And also many more Tuesday reviews coming soon. Bye.